Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. An update on the batteries I just opened up, and some quite literally. I have some very good news, very exciting. I am putting these on a charge. I'm only going to 3.8 for now. I know it's not high at 20 milliamps. Some of these are charged. These are all over 3.8. And it's working out well. And some really exciting news, these work. Funny enough, I've got a through-night power bank, which these things require USB-C. After I did some research online, they require USB-C and probably about 2 amps to charge, because nothing I have, none of my cell phone chargers, none of my USB chargers would do anything for that at all. There's nothing wrong with these. They are a really awesome computer. This one I have fully charged up. That's just some sticky stuff from a tape that was on there. I'll clean it off later. They're fully charged up. It's an EC30 Enterprise Companion. Phone / computer / everything. And I have, let me see. I've done a factory reset on this one. Set it to factory standards. Battery charged up good. Time is wrong. I just got it going. It works. There's nothing wrong with these. This one's battery was just really low. All the batteries were quite low from sitting. There's nothing wrong with them. I'm going to shut that off and save it. So this battery bank from ThruNight, it's a portable power pack I just finished reviewing on my main channel, is actually came with an emergency light, is doing the job. This is the second phone it's charged, and it's still got 4 bars. It's doing the job of topping these off. It's pretty awesome. So I just shut that one off. Anyway, I think they're all going to be good. Those are $350 phones. They work. They're phone / walkie-talkie / barcode scanner / amazing 8-core processor computers with Android 11, I think. I'm not quite sure, but there's Android in it. Really amazing. Now here is one these flat packs. Well, the one that was puffed up, I opened, and these have they're in the millivolt range. This one measures good, but I wanted to open up the bad one to see how it's put together, and that way I'll know how to open up the other ones, or how best to get soldered leads on here for power out, because I'm going to build a big battery bank with these for a portable solar generator. And I've got one good cell for some small project later on. I'll probably make a USB power bank or something out of it. It's a decent, really decent cell. It's just too bad those are dead. Those, I'll probably do some experimental exploding, burning videos with them later on. I'm sure that'll get some views. But from that last box I got, literally everything is good. I've got some of the cell phone packs over here. I'm going to start putting these in parallel. I'm going to put together a charging station instead of using charging one at a time with my power supply. I'll make a portable, I'll make a parallel charging station for these and get them going. Let me show you something else I just got. I got 100 TL431 adjustable reference source. They're adjustable Zener diode / regulator / they can do pretty much anything you want them to do. Pretty awesome chips for $8. And then I got some LM317s. Is that the T? Yeah. Got the LM317Ts, adjustable voltage regulator. I'm going to set them as a current source for a set current source for my charging stations, and then these will be the voltage cutoff, so I can set whatever voltage I want for my cutoff. So I'll be putting together some circuits here really soon to have a very stable charging station for all these packs. That way I can I can set these up, have a circuit for each battery pack in parallel, and then set my power supply to charge everything all at once with individual protective circuits on the board. This is going to be a fun project. So I just wanted to give you an update. Every single thing, I think, except for this pack, every single thing in that last box that I got was good. And even here, I've got one cell, and I've got a 4S protection board, which I'll play with. Well, please like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't. Got some cool, exciting things coming up. Talk to you later.